between game cameras and bird feeders and security cameras and other things that we use outdoors, doors and door locks, just so many things. We needed an outdoor access point to extend and to use as an outdoor repeater. So this one from WAVLINK is the way we went. This is their AC 1200 model. This is the box that it ships in. Let's pull it out of here and take a look at it. I really like the 4 antenna design on this one. Uses Wi-Fi 5, PoE, both active and passive. So we can see when we open it up, get the unit itself. It's weatherproof. Has a pad on the back here. The network cable is going to plug in here. We've got a reset button, it looks like. Then we've got our antennas that are about 6.5 inches. They're in this box, I guess. We'll open them up, take a look at them. Each of the antennas and each of the ports are labeled, so there's no confusion. They screw right in, and they're set up to be enhance each other. The power is brought in through this device, and then brought in through the single cable, which makes it very easy to install. All the hardware, even the tools are included. This is going to be great for pole mounting or wall mounting, and should be good to give us both distance and an outdoor repeater. I want to thank WAVLINK for sending us this one to check out. I hope this helps.